I'm going to be sharing another unboxing. I received some really great goodies from My Crochet Official. They sent over a complete Swift and a ball winder and even a case for the Swift, so I'm really excited. Let me show you guys everything they sent. So this is the Swift, so nicely packaged, look at that. And then I'm going to show you how to wind the hank of yarn. So this is the case, so cute. It's a teal case. Look at that, so nice. And it has a strap too, so you can just like carry it if you're going somewhere. Really nice. And then this is the ball winder. So really excited about all of this. Let me take out and show you. Oops, so these are all the different parts. Alright, so I'm gonna set it up and I will show you guys. This is like the clamp piece, I guess, and then this goes in the center. So let me set it up and let me show you guys. Alright, so this part is pretty intuitive. You just take this piece and you put it in the center, just like that. It kind of locks into place. And then this is a clamp. Has this little piece here. And that goes in the bottom. Alright, so for the winder, there's a little plastic screw that comes with it that you're going to just put in the center. You put the clamp in through this hole. Let me show you. Right, so this is how your clamp comes. You're just going to put it in. There's a little hole over here you can see. So I'm just going to put it in through this hole. I'm just going to hold it in place and screw this. Oops. Just going to screw this plastic screw in. Make sure it's nice and tight and secure. That's good. Alright, and then this is basically used to clamp your winder onto your table or wherever you're working. And then this is to adjust the height. So let me show you over here. I'm gonna put it here. I'm just gonna put it here, and then I'm just gonna screw this so that it stays on here securely, and that's our winder itself. Alright, so the Swift is really easy to assemble. It comes with these two metal screws, with plastic stoppers at the top here. So the shorter one goes into the top hole, and this is to adjust the Swift circumference. So like to open it up or to close it. It's like an umbrella basically. So I'll show you. Like this, see? Oops. It's literally like an umbrella. So you can adjust this, and when you tighten it, it'll stay to that circumference. And then the bottom screw, the longer one, goes into the bottom, and that's to help you clamp it onto whichever table you're using. So it goes in to the bottom like this. Now I'm going to take my hank of yarn. So I have this big red. I'm just gonna put it around. And then this is kind of big, so you want to, and then just fit your yarn on and make sure it's gonna stay. And then at that spot, I'm gonna just clamp it so that, just screw it like that. And now what we're gonna do is take these ties off. So I'm just gonna move some scissors. Right, so I'm just removing the ties, going around, and let's see. Right, a few more. One more here. Okay. Oops. Okay. I think this might be the this is the beginning, I think, of the skein. Okay. So cut this off. And then I'm just gonna take this end, I'm gonna put it in. So I have the Swift set up with my yarn, and then this is the like you're supposed to thread it onto here and then just put it into the grooves here, and I'm just holding it here a little bit to keep it stable, and then you just wind, and there it is. It's being caked. So exciting. Alright, so I'm gonna do it. Right, here we go. Alright. This is so exciting. Just be careful when you're doing it, because you don't want everything to come apart. It's as easy as that. This skein has been sitting in my closet forever. Finally, I am getting it into a workable status for me. Thank you so much, We Crochet official, for Knit Picks, for sending this set over so that I can get on that hand-dyed yarn train and more luxurious yarn. So thank you so much. I'm going to show you guys my billow yarn that they sent over. I'm going to cake that up and we'll see how it looks. All right, I will meet you after I finish this one cake. And just like that, we have a beautifully caked yarn. I'm so excited. So you just have to be careful when you pull it off the ball winder. And then you can start from the center or from the outside, but I like to do the center, so I'm just gonna keep this aside, and I'm gonna do the billow that we crochet sent over. So I'm gonna show you how it looks, and here we go. Ta-da. So much fun. Now I'm all done, and I'm just gonna put it away in my case. It's such a cute case. Put the print inside.